Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is the Epson ET2800 printer. This is so great for just regular home use if you have a home office or a small business, even for printing out photos and graphics because it prints such high quality. You also have many options. You can copy, scan, you can even turn on a low noise function, which is really convenient if you need a quiet environment to work. You can also print directly from your phone, and I just love the size of the printer. It's not too big, not too small, perfect for all our needs, and the fact that it has an EcoTank is definitely its best feature. When you buy the printer, it comes with 4 ink bottles and it fills up each of these little tanks. I've had this printer for 6 months. We do a little bit of printing here and there, and you can see we still have a really high levels of ink. With my last printer, we would have gone through 2 sets of cartridges by now, so it definitely saves you money. It also saves you time, especially when it prints in black and white. It is so fast and the quality is perfect. It also does a great job printing in color. The quality is top notch. As you can see here, I printed out the color wheel and I printed it just like the image on the computer. So if you're in the market for a printer that's going to simplify your life, does everything you need it to do, and saves on ink, definitely check out the Epson ET2800. You won't be disappointed, but that's just my point of view.